Spartan Forge app. So how to install it? So just keep tab get, and yeah, this is one of the top growing apps in hunting category. So this is yeah, it helps you with hunting. All in one AI driven platform for planning and executing your hunt. Spartan Forge is an all in one AI driven platform for planning and executing your hunt. It features high resolution imagery, better mapping features than any other product on the market, complete with industry only LiDAR layer. So yeah, pretty cool app. Hunting, LiDAR, high resolution maps, real time pin sharing, Blue Force tracker, scouting, property ownership. And then you can just go and create an account like that. However, I guess you will need to upgrade there. And then choose your plan. So here is yearly $60 or monthly $9. And that's basically how you get started. So, you know, if you like hunting, definitely take a look at this app. Yeah, there you have it.